It's interesting to note that travel sentiment has dipped to -0.70, a significant drop compared to our historical baseline. This isn't just noise. It reflects a marked shift in traveler sentiment, and the momentum has flatlined at +0.00. In a landscape where a decline of this magnitude is rare, it's crucial for you to understand what's driving this sentiment. Our API returns detailed sentiment analysis, including 20 semantic clusters, that can help you pinpoint specific concerns among travelers. Imagine integrating this data into your app to tailor real-time travel recommendations or alerts, optimizing user experience during this downturn. If you want to dive deeper into this data and leverage it effectively, head over to pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs. This is your chance to stay ahead in a rapidly changing travel landscape.